These are some of the cases which you will be facing while solving the first layer. The first one is this, the easiest one. You will see the corner, you will push it away from which it will not be affected by taking it down. Done. This is the second scenario. You will take it down to make it appropriate for setting and then move it away, take it down, and then you can do the same thing from the left. That is, if you have to take this, so you will drag it, it's done. And then this is also a case, this, so you will take it to the proper setting and then